What it do, YouTube fams? Your boy FLA back at ya. Welcome back to the channel, man. Want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, all my supporters, man. Merry Christmas. Hope y'all had a good holiday. Back on the grind. So let's get it. Bringing you a little video today on some cleaning products. I got reached out by a cleaning product called Super Clean. Want to give a shout out to Todd and Jessica over there at the Super Clean team for reaching out to me and sending me a nice little gift basket for the holidays to try out their products and to give y'all a little review video so y'all can check out their products as well. So let's get it. Let me show y'all everything that came in the nice little box they done got me. Let's get it. First time on the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment. You already know. Holla at your boy. Alright guys, let's break it down. I already opened it because I actually received it like I think 2 days ago, but I'm about to do the video now. Been busy. Obviously it's the holidays. But yeah, they sent me a nice little hat. You already know. Once again, thank you Todd and Jessica. You know, nice little Super Clean shirt. And then let's get down to the products. You know, obviously this is a degreaser type of product. So it came with, you know, a dilution chart for all sorts of, you know, household uses or even auto. Obviously that's probably the primary use I'm going to be using it for the car. But I'm pretty sure I'll find, you know, some uses around the house as well to use it. But yeah, there's a dilution chart, so we go try it out. And in a little box, there's like a foaming degreaser. Came with a floor absorbent. Definitely will use this next oil change, so that will get used. Came with a degreaser and an aerosol type can. This is actually probably the first time I've seen this, a degreaser and aerosol. So I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the first time I've seen it come in an aerosol can. And then all wheel cleaner. That's what I'm going to be using right now to test out first. As y'all know, I didn't have the car for about 2 weeks with my whole incident, so I haven't even washed the car in close to 2 months, man. So I'm about to wash it for the first time today, and I'm gonna bring y'all the wheel cleaner, see how that performs with the Brembo brake dust. So that's gonna be the first product I try out. And then you know, just another bottle of degreaser. So, you know, once you buy the product, I'm pretty sure on the back it'll come with a dilution chart or something. I was just gonna do like because it says auto, it actually says full strength for, as you see, auto parts, tires, engines. But I was just gonna test it out and do a 50-50 solution, 50% water, 50% degreaser. But since I see they got a wheel cleaner already made, I'm gonna read the instructions on the back real quick. And then I don't think it says dilute or anything. So I'm going to be trying this out for the first time and see how it performs and showing y'all the results. So let's get it, man. Eager to wash my baby. It's been about 2 months, like I said. So it needs a nice bath. Let's get it. Here we go. Testing out the Super Clean all wheel cleaner. Foaming degreaser spray. Basically, you already know it says rinse down wheel, cover wheel with the degreaser spray, let it soak in for about 30 seconds. And if you got like real dirty wheels, you know, you could use a brush, wipe them down. So I'm gonna spray it down, clean it off and see how they come out looking. Get all this Brembo brake dust off. So let's see how it works. I'm just gonna lather the wheel up real quick, let it sit. Now I'll show y'all the other side, the untreated side, and then the treated side, obviously. And we'll go from there, man. Yeah. Alright, set it soak. Let it soak for about 30 seconds. It's been about 30 seconds. I did a quick little wipe down on the face, you know, on the spokes. And then just rinse it off. And from what I see already, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the rim is definitely shining, squeaky clean. I'll make sure I get off of it, all of it off. As you see, no brake dust on there, nothing. Squeaky clean, man. So I would say product definitely does what it do. Let's take a look at the other side. Brake dust. Brake dust. So as you can tell, this is what a dirty rim looks like. Let's go back to the clean side, man. All I did was spray it on there, let it soak, wiped it off, sprayed it off, and clean. Show y'all with the different hand. Look at that, even on the inside of the rim. Yeah, so I would recommend this product. As you see, it works great on the wheels. I already gave it a shot. Gonna do the other wheels and finish the car off, man. Just a quick little review video on this new product that I came across. Bringing it to you like I do. Super clean, all wheel cleaner. Check it out. From what I've seen, I think it's sold at all stores, AutoZone, stuff like that, probably Walmart. So go get you a bottle and try it out. But as you see, dirty, clean. Literally took 2 minutes, man. Spray it on there, hose it off, wipe it down, done. So yeah, once again, thanks to Todd, Jessica, for hooking me up with y'all products. Definitely will get used, and appreciate the support, man. All the subscribers, man. Keep on watching, man. Appreciate y'all. On to the next one. You already know. And before I end this video, I just want to show y'all that, you know, the dirty rim after it's clean. Nothing. That bit shining. I ain't gonna lie, pretty kind of impressed. Even the inside. You know, my rim must be just stained or something. That's why it looks a little darker, but that definitely ain't grease or nothing. But yeah, definitely works pretty good, man. Time to clean the whole car. And that's it. FLA Hemi over and out.